Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support, all the good prayers, the comments. God bless you all. I wish you all the best. Happy New Year. Today I'm making a shirt collar. There are types of shirt collar. It's one-piece collar, two-piece collar. So the one we're making today is two-piece collar. So two-piece collar, there are so many methods for two-piece collar, but the one we're making today is one of the easiest one. So the measurement you need is neck circumference. So this is the neck circumference. This is a shirt. You can measure it this way or this way. So nine inches, 18 inches, 9 inches on fold. I'm going to draft it on a paper. I'll fold it into two. You can use color gum, color stay. You can draft yours on color gum or color stay. When you finish, you iron it on a fabric and add seam allowance. So the measurement I'm working with is 18 inches, but because the paper is on fold, I'll measure half of 18 inches, which is 9 inches. So 9 inches. This is 9 inches. So on this side, I'll go up by 5 inches. From this line, I'll go up by 5 inches. I don't need this one. So this is my measurement, 5 inches by 9 inches. So from this line, I'll mark 2 inches. This side is for collar stand and this side is for collar. So now I'm going to mark ½ inch from this line. I'll go up by ½ inch here. On this line, I'll mark 2 inches. From here, I'll mark 2 inches. From this ½ inch line, I'll slant it to this 2 inches on this line. So from this line, I'll mark 1 inch. From this 1 inch, I'll connect it to this corner, to this point. So to curve it here, from this side I'll mark 1/2 inch on this line, just reference to curve it, 1/2 inch. On this line, from these 2 inches, I'll go down by 1/2 inch. Half inch. On this point, this corner, I'll mark 1/4 inch, 0.25. So I'll connect it from this 1/2 inch to this 0.25 and into this line, this 1/2 inch here. This line here, I'll go up by 1/2 inch and come down by 1/2 inch. So I'll mark 1/2 inch here. From this line, I'll mark 1/2 inch also. So from this 1/2 inch, I'll connect it to this point. Also, this 1/2 inch, I'll connect it to the same point. You can use curve ruler or straight ruler. So this is the color. I'm going to cut it out. So I want to pin it before I'll cut it. So this is paper scissors. So this is the color stand and this is color. This is the color. And color stand. I'll pin it on top of fabric and add seam allowance, 1/2 inch seam allowance all around it. I'll do the same to the color stand also. So this is my color stand. I have 2 of these. I added my seam allowance. I did the same on the collar. I have interfacing on it, also on the collar. So I folded one side in, the down part. What I'll do next is to stitch these two together, the collar. So I'll sew it on 1/2 inch seam allowance. 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I've joined the two together, the collar. So what I'll do next is to turn it and give it a good press. I'll cut this edge off. So I'll turn it to the right side and give it a good press. What I'll do next is to sew the collar and the collar stand together. This is the collar stand. This is the collar stand. This is the side I'll stitch to the shirt. I'll turn it this way. This is the upper part of the collar stand. Midpoint on this one also. Right side together. This is the side I'll stitch on the shirt. Midpoint also. So I'll stitch it on 1/2 inch seam allowance. I've sewn them together. What I'll do next is to notch it. I'll notch. After that, I'll turn it and give it a good press. So I've pressed it. So what I'll do next is to sew it to the shirt. This is the shirt, right side of the shirt. Right side. I'll pin it midpoint to midpoint of the shirt. This folded side, I'll sew it last, but I'll stitch this to the shirt first. So I've sewn it to the shirt. What I'll do next is to sew this side. So this folded edge, I'll use it to cover the seam. So here I'll push this seam inside and use this to cover it. So I'll stitch on it. I've finished. So I'll give it a good press. I used lightweight interfacing on both collar and collar stand. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.